Hello and welcome to Mr. Saeed Rahmati's channel. In the past few lessons, you learned how to observe the subjects around you. You learned how to transform each subject into simple geometric shapes and identify the proportionalities using rectangles. In this lesson, I intend to teach you how to precisely measure and identify the proportions of lifeless objects or items around us using a pencil. Hold the pencil in the same way in your hand, and by moving your index finger, we measure the model. Imagine that there is a glass pane in front of you, or you are looking at a shape through the window. You are allowed to move the pencil on this glass pane, but moving the pencil inside the glass is prohibited. After assuming the rectangle surrounding the shape, first, we measure its width. Note that in all measurement stages, your position should not change, and your hand should be steady and not bent. We take the width measurement and find the ratio of width to length. As you observed in the video, the ratio of length to width of the rectangle was 2.5, albeit slightly less. Using this method, you can discover other shape ratios and compare different dimensions of the shape together. I emphasize that you should lean on a chair and do not bend your hand in any of the measurement stages. Keep it completely straight. The third use of this method is finding the vertical and horizontal tangent lines of different parts of the subject. This technique is very important and has a wide application in complex designs. I look forward to having you in the upcoming lessons.